Hey, what is up guys? It's Scarce here, and today we're back with another video. Today it's about a brown dachshund that went missing and his friends. Let's dip, bros. So, ATD, who needs it when you got this stud muffin in front of your house? Like, that's probably our first topic for this video, and our second topic is a dog almost falls out a freaking window. Jumps out of a barrel. Hey, it's me again, Scarce. Okay, you changed the camera angle. I'm gonna go sniff some grass. Boy, stop recording me. Hurry. Dude, no camera time for you. Scarce gets it. Right now, I'm staring at the grass because I have nothing else to do in my life. And here's a trick shot I hit. And sorry for the bad quality. I'm a freaking dog, so look at that stinker. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.